Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you are looking for how to change a wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you need to click here wallpaper and style. After click over wallpaper and style, you need to click here change wallpaper. From here you will see there is a bunch of preloaded wallpaper by Samsung. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one and then a screen going to appear. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your home screen or lock screen? So I would like to set this picture only my home screen and then I'm going to click here next and then it's going to preview how this wallpaper going to be looks like in my home screen. So we're going to click here done, and now if I go back and we'll see now my phone going to appear new wallpaper. So in this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now you might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them in your home screen. For that you need to click here setting, scroll down and click here wallpaper and style. Click here change wallpaper. In this time we're going to choose here our phone. So this is the gallery. From here you can easily choose any picture you would like. For example, I would like to choose this picture and then I'm going to click here done and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this picture in your home screen or lock screen? So I would like to set this picture in my home screen and then I'm going to click here next and then it's going to preview how this picture is going to be looks like. I'm going to click here done. Now if I go back, we'll see now my phone going to appear new home screen wallpaper. So in this simple way you can easily change home screen wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.